what? Sharpies! Bro! What? Yay! It's just yeah. Yes, it's Pepero.
So emotional.
I love it. No. You're never gonna get this. I got that. Okay, next. This one is good. These are just Choco Tops and Kinder Joy. No, don't eat Kinder Joy.
First video, so emotional. So
We
emotional.
either have this and we either have wallet here. It has money on it. No, it's coins. It's coins. It's not money. This. Okay. What's the
Oh, there's money.
money? Money.
Can I have money? Oh.
You just have that. Get out of here. Get out of here. Why? Okay, there's. I got 2 coins, guys. I got 10 peso and 20 pesos. That means I got 30 pesos. Yeah. This one, I will bring this at school because I don't have money in school. Good cocoa. Next, I got this. Next, I got this. And with the beanie bean. Next, I have this. I have something. And either it got this or something. Bro, I got the Hello Kitty. OMG. Oh, get this. I will swallow this up. Next.
Your ate is ruining the video.
Wait, hey guys. Oh, I'm gonna go. Hello. And the teacher got this big guy. At the shade. Wait, let's open this. Let's open this, huh? This is good. This is good. This is good, okay? Just wait. Oh God. Shoot out the ball.
Wow, dami naman gift. Pahingi.
No.
Party tayo.
Oy, ate. Oy!
Ay, sorry.
He wants me to vlog. First vlog, so emotional.
Ouch! Still. Okay. How about this ribbon?
Sorry if you see a girl on the background. It's your ate Alex. Your ate Alex is in the
With the
background.
half of the body. Can I? Pwede din ako kasali. Wait.
Okay, fine, but not so much.
Not too. Wait. It has this. Nice.
If you don't know who's the girl in the background, that's actually my Alexa. She's the background girl. She's the background girl.
Go. Hurry.
She's gonna be the part of our background for today, y'all.
Nah, bro. I
So she's gonna be waving, saying hello.
have to broke this right. I'm gonna broke it.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
I'm gonna broke it.
Damit ni Udin
I
to.
wanna broke this with
Malinis na yan.
the
Saan galing? Nilabhan. Nauwi niya sa bahay.
You wanna broke this to my gun?
Wala.
That's the background girl. The background girl.
Yung mga dinala doon kanina. Ngayon ko lang nalabhan. ha?
Broke.
Walang damit yan si Prince.
But that's alright.
That's good. Yeah.
Sa
Then
atin na baba. Ilang height na.
they got this. Stop!
Oh my.
And the background girl said Jari. Jari said to type the background girl
Huh?
and I should do background.
What?
Stop!
Sumigaw.
Damn, where's
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause real quick.
How do we open this bowl with a ribbon? I really want to get the
Sorry, guys, we had a mental crash out.
Open ko.
Sorry, guys, we had a mental breakdown.
Wait, there's new officer named No.
Sorry, my youngest cousin had a mental breakdown.
Go hurry up and I will get the
Alam mo ba kahit nung galing to? Kanino? Kay Tita Hanali? Ang kay Ate Shing? Guntingin na natin yung pogi ha.
Wait, guys. Wait, I already said I got Instead, I got this thingy. This is perfect to my wallet.
Nice.
Chrysler.
Sorry, guys.
Wait, and I just have a wallet. This is nice, so I can take this to school. And this is just a white one. It's on the way. So wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm so excited. This is what the blade blades. The blade blades. The blade blades. And either a first year. Why have many of these?
Sorry, guys, the screaming was when my younger cousin had a mental breakdown.
And this.
Or like a crash out or something.
There, I have. And it's either it's not on the way. She had to open it.
Sorry, guys.
It just came.
The screaming was a mental breakdown by my younger cousin. Sorry about that, okay, y'all?
Bawal mapagod ha.
Just hope y'all can hear me. And my younger cousin Chrysler.
Small ones, bro. I didn't got the car. Many snowballs, guys. Can I be the background girl, B? What is this mental breakdown? Next. Now, this is not all.
Yan.
This is so cool. As in, this is Beyblade.
Sorry about the other background music because it's kind of Christmas, right?
Then
So our whole family is celebrating.
there's the kind
Stop.
They can also, this is also a playground. Wow. Then I got the long marshmallow. This one.
I had that before.
Okay. I got many of candy, bro. Why could they have a candy? What? I got many.
Ang dami. Gusto ko yan, pogi.
Many.
Ay, yung jelly, so gusto ko yan.
Sorry if you hear Tagalog because we're literally Filipino.
We got many. Yeah.
Like the background music is Tagalog. Sorry about that.
Oh.
Because we're Filipino.
And this is so brother ni Tyler had this weight and they had this is the Kinder Joy, but this is don't have a toy. Look at this.
Oh,
Then they have a chocolate top.
Wag, baka mabali. Lapit na kay Kain.
You cannot eat this. Chocolate top. And either many stuff. Merry Christmas. And either what is this, guys?
oh, that's a T-shirt.
T-shirt. That's not a T-shirt, bro.
That is.
Either there's many flowers. My ate already gave this to me or something. I I think, yeah, yo, bro. Hello. I just need the new apologize. There's a new T-shirt. This is a box.
That is.
And this is a good blade, so I can practice the blade. Now this is my new one, but this is not my favorite. So thank you guys.